Duffel bag, backseat.
This video is on diaper digging and what you can do to help stop this behavior. This is one video in a large playlist, so please click through all the strategies to see which one or which ones may work. Now, in terms of just fun ways to help block some diaper digging, one neat little activity that I enjoy that I think really provides not only a block, but also some alleviation of sensory seeking is engaging your child in some fun cooking with you. Kind of hands-on, non-heated types of snacks. So if you have a child who enjoys food and may like to cook, you would give them a little apron. The apron is the block, okay, so that's the garment component to this. And the cooking piece, the hands-on manipulation of a dough or rolling balls. Maybe if your child is not allergic to peanut butter, and you can use things that are very kind of tactile and intensely sticky. And again, you can be so creative with this. So if your child has allergies, there are lots of things that you can do. But the idea is to give them a block and to give them a very big sensory activity and make it routine. So oftentimes fun cooking projects that are high in sensory will manage the sensory seeking piece, and the apron gives them the job and also is a block. So having your child engage in a little bit of fun cooking things is just a fun and neat way to sort of help bring down the diaper digging. Hopefully it's even enough of a distraction, because the great news is you get a little snack in the end. So it's just one of my favorite activities and just a way to help break up the day, because assuming you're going through the playlist and you might be doing some of the sensory play pieces or some of the water play pieces, this is just another thing you can add in. So just a fun activity that serves a lot of purposes. So give this one a try.
In my mind. You're a drive real slow down.